Hey guys, and welcome to my channel and welcome to this video. This is going to be a quick Christmas card idea, and I will be using these watercolors I made myself, winter collection. Also, I will be using this larger flat brush for the watercolors. We're gonna do a quite simple painting, quite simple watercolors, and then some inking on top. I thought this would be a fun Sunday idea for the cards. If you haven't by now made your cards for the Christmas, well, this is one very simple idea. Even if you're not, I guess, watercolorist, if you don't paint usually with watercolors, this is going to be very simple. I've added first some splatters with just a clean water, so when I add my watercolors, they could bleed better when they touch that part that is already wet. So added a couple of lines with this bigger flat brush for the part where I'm going to do my inking, and also one smaller for the text, some splatters using same colors. I am using pink, somewhat pink, violet color for one card and blue for the other. You can of course use any colors you like, red, greens, yellows, whatever you like. Now I'm just adding just a regular table salt, nothing special, nothing particular, just a regular table salt to add a little bit more of the texture. I left it to dry completely, naturally, so it has to be dried naturally for the salt to do its thing. If you dry it with a hair dryer, it just won't have the same textures. Actually, I did use a hair dryer, so mine don't really have a huge texture, but I wasn't even intending to do one. So if you want a little bit more texture, leave it to dry naturally. When it did dry, I'm adding some ink, and this is ink pen from Pigma, micron. So just adding a couple of Christmas balls, Christmas decoration on one, and writing in the text Merry Christmas. Also added a couple of splatters with white and a little bit more of the details with the ink, just making the border around my text and drawing. And for the second one, I'm gonna do two bells, again embellish them with a little bit more of the doodling. You can just make it look the way you like. This is quite simple, as you can see. Just a little bit more of the doodles to that one. And I did a bow on top and a string to make it look like it's hanging on something. And also wrote in the text. For the first one, I wrote in Merry Christmas. And for the second one, Happy Holidays. You can write in, of course, text, whatever text you like. Some splatters again with white. And then added a little bit of the borders with the ink pen, and with that we are done. This is, as I said, very simple Sunday card idea. So if you're searching for a card idea, this one could be just very well it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit the like button, share it, and comment. If you haven't still, please do subscribe to my channel. And again, thank you so much for watching. I hope I'll see you next time. Bye.